How to spot real job opportunities online, avoiding scams.
In today's digital age, job hunting often begins online. But while the internet offers endless possibilities, it also opens the door to scams and fake opportunities. Welcome to Saaboufirst Ltd.tv, the channel committed to guiding job seekers with clarity, confidence, and care. Let's start with the red flags. If a job offer sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be cautious if the employer offers a high salary for minimal work or promises instant hiring, especially without an interview. Watch out for emails from unofficial domains like Gmail or Yahoo instead of a company website. And if you're asked to pay upfront for training or equipment, that's a major warning sign. At Saaboufirst Ltd.tv, we emphasize using trusted platforms when searching for work. Websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor have verification systems that reduce the risk of fraud. Avoid clicking on random job links from WhatsApp, Telegram, or unknown emails. And never share your personal ID or banking details unless you're sure it's legitimate. So, how can you verify if a company is real? Start with a Google search. Look for an website, check their social media, and read online reviews. If possible, reach out to current employees on LinkedIn. Real companies want transparency. And here at Saaboufirst Ltd.tv, we regularly share expert interviews, trending job market insights, and tools to help you identify real opportunities and build a trustworthy career path. Many job seekers fall for scams because they feel pressure to earn, to succeed, to act fast. But remember, real opportunities are never rushed. Take your time, ask questions, do your research. Saaboufirst Ltd.tv is more than just a YouTube channel. Stay informed, stay alert, and remember, your future is worth protecting. Subscribe now to Saaboufirst Ltd.tv, and join a global community that's changing the way the world finds work. One real opportunity at a time.
Looking for your next opportunity? Subscribe and get expert help.